John Lepine, Sr., and I am the President and CEO of Garr, and I've been here about 57 years.
Garr Tool was started in 1944 by our grandfather, Fred Lepine, in Saginaw, Michigan. He started it in the garage of his home. Well, this year we celebrate our 80th anniversary, and we're about 200,000 square feet, selling product around the world.
The Rollomatic partnership started back essentially in the 90s. We were looking for automated robot-loaded machine to do ball nose, small diameter head mills. That's how it worked out. That's when the 600X idea, and they were working on that. That's where it really took off.
It was pretty much a home run for the ball tools, and so we ended up buying a raft of them. And they're still working, actually. They're 25 years old or more. They're still out in the back producing product.
And that speaks great to how the machine runs. It's a Swiss machine. It runs like a Swiss clock.
So I think that probably solidified our going forward in a relationship, if you want to say that, because we trusted them in the ability to engineer a machine tool that would work, and yeah, it's been a wonderful relationship. So
25 years ago, 30 years ago, I started at Garr, and within a couple of years, there was two 600Xs at our floor, and I was moved over to run those, and here we are, 30 years later, and every time I call Rollomatic, I still get that same feeling, that same family, relationship, and it's not so much that they didn't just sell us a machine; they sold us a relationship.
The customer's going to drive many of these decisions, of course. They have needs, they have pain points and problems that need to be solved, and they're going to lean on people like Garr Tool to help them with solutions and partner with them, and then we're going to lean on people like Rollomatic to provide us the technology that we need to achieve those results.
But as industry's been more demanding, the machines have been better, automation is coming, and it's exciting to see it. Repeatability is critical. And so I think in my time, that was where we were going after Rollomatic, just to say, let's use your expertise to make these tools just more consistent.
But having the automation of the Rollomatic, now you take a hand, the machine can do what 4 or 5 hand grinders did back in the day, and do it overnight consistently. So that it's like I say, it's the technology drives it, right?
We do have a lot of them that run 24 hours, 7 days a week, and they'll go like 70 hours unattended. They make my job easy because they make good tools.
Great machines to work on. Very efficient, very accurate.
When you set tools up to run, you just don't have to make adjustments. It's pretty much set it and forget it.
My favorite thing about Rollomatic is their consistent, high-quality product. We know we can trust them to deliver a product that is going to help us achieve our goals.